Good morning. Welcome to Bay Lifestyle. If you've just joined us, you've missed a whole lot of fun, but there's more fun to come because we're talking about those tax returns you haven't filled out yet.
That's right,
Woohoo!
Roxy.
Well, it's not really a party, but you're going to feel like having a party. Chris Canny Smith from the Canny Group. You're going to feel like having a party after you've sorted it all out, aren't you?
That's right. So a lot of people come in and it's been really weighing on their shoulders and making them worry.
Yeah.
But so we've developed a process for catching up. So if you're one of those people, and there are lots of you, so don't feel bad. But if
And one of them's name might have rhymed with Loxanne.
might be you.
I've had it sorted out, but gee, yes.
A lot of people with, 5, 10 years outstanding loads. So we have a process that's 9 steps, but the good news is there's only 3 steps that the person catching up actually has to do.
I was going to say 9 steps.
So
okay, so 3
we do
steps.
6 of them.
You do 6. That's a
Yes.
fair trade.
It is good. So the first thing you have to do, and the biggest thing, is to call us and make an appointment and give us your tax file number. And then we go through and we'll log onto the tax office, add you as a client, and research all your historical details for all the outstanding returns.
Mm-hmm.
Then by the time you come in, an accountant's already reviewed it, worked out what gaps there are, and we meet with you and fill in the gaps.
Wow.
And so that's the second step for you. And the third step is you might have to go and get further information from employers or Centrelink, depending on what you've done.
Yeah, sure.
And then we'll finish it all. Pretty much we do all the work from there, and we'll look into fines for you and see if you've got grounds to get off them.
Wow, that is amazing. So all I or you has to do is just ring, first of all.
Yes.
Like just make that decision, right, this is the year and this is the month that I am going to sort my tax out.
That's right.
And dedicate a little bit of time to it. Then you guys will do all the groundwork.
Yes.
Then you go in, the client comes in, talks about it, goes through where there might be some gaps. And that might be things like you might be missing, tax returns or statements or I don't know.
Perhaps you've worked, perhaps you remember working somewhere and there's a whole year missing. Well, we'll ring the employer and we'll say, look, are you able to provide us with the group certificate from back there? And so we'll help you get the missing information.
Cool.
Although most of it's available online to us, you'd be amazed. So a lot of people spend hours looking for paperwork when they probably didn't need to.
Didn't really need to. Well, things like your health insurance is online. Like there are lots of things.
Oh, Centrelink, your pensions, your group certificates, bank interest.
Yes.
It's nearly all there.
Well, my bank interest isn't because there's not really any of it. But anyway, there might be a little bit of something. Look, this is fantastic. So the 9 steps to getting all your old tax returns filled out and sent in only involves you doing 3 steps, which is pretty awesome. And one of those is only a phone call. And then the rest
we just do. So the other 6 steps, they're for us to make sure that we make it as easy as possible for you so that you can just walk away feeling like there's a weight off your shoulders and you can get on with your life.
And, I know that a lot of people, it's not even that they haven't filled it in because they might have a tax debt, which can often be a reason, but it's because they just get caught up with life, then they miss one, then they go, then they miss another one, they go, now it's just too hard. And then they just go, whatever, and not think about it. And what you could be doing is missing out on quite a bit of money that you could get as a return.
That's entirely possible. If you've been working as an employee, it is most likely that you'll get a refund.
Wow, that is awesome. Okay, very simple. You've just got to get in touch with the Canny Group, give them a call. You can jump. We won't worry with the phone number because people are driving around, don't have a pen in their hand. But the easiest thing, just get online, cannygroup.com.au. Give them a call, and if you're really lucky, you might get Chris Canny Smith. And she'll take you through the 9-step plan. And I'd just like to say, I am Roxanne and I am a tax return unsender. So I'm admitting it. Now it's the 9-step plan.
Yes,
but
exactly.
we only have to do 3.
Clean.
To get clean again. Thank you so much, Chris. We will catch you another time.
Okay, thanks, Roxy.